This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will discuss some important definitions for problem solving chapter. So first of all we will discuss the definition of analysis. So what is the role of analysis in problem solving? So the process of understanding the problem is called the analysis of the problem. In this process, the problem is decomposed into subproblems. This leads to a simple solution. If a problem is not analyzed, correctly, it is not possible to find the correct solution of the problem. Therefore, it may be correctly said that it is a very important stage of problem solving. The second definition, which is very important, is in this chapter of problem solving, is solving complex problem. It's very important. So in solving complex problem, the problem is decomposed into sub problems. Rather on concentrating the bigger problem as a whole, we try to solve each subproblem separately. So this is the rule, or rather on concentrating the bigger problem, which can be a bigger and tougher situation. So what we do, we actually try to solve we actually make these sections of the whole problem into smaller problems, and then each and every subproblem is dealt and solved separately. This leads to a simple solution. This technique is known as top-down design, a very important term which is used basically in problem solving process. Top-down design. I'm going to bold it and italic it. So the next definition which we will learn today is very important again, is the syntax of a programming language. So we can define it the grammatical rules of a programming language to write program referred to as syntax of that programming language. It can be any programming like C, Java, any programming language. It is necessary to know the syntax of the programming language before solving a problem on computer. We don't follow if we don't follow the syntax of the programming language, it will give syntax error. In the program. So the computer generates some errors, and the sort of error, if we make some grammatical rules mistakes, then the error generated by the computer program is called syntax error. The specific name. The next definition is the documentation, which is used in problem solving. One more important definition: documentation. What is the role of documentation in problem solving? So we can define as documentation is the process of recording details of program documentation is considered vital in solving process. It will convenient for person who wants to make enhancement, implementation, or removing any errors in the program in future. So the last definition which we will discuss today is the algorithm. Very, very important. The step-by-step procedure for solving a problem is called algorithm. It gives the sequence in which these steps are taken for solving the problem. The simplest form of algorithm is step form algorithm. If an algorithm is not clear and finite, it would not be possible to reach a solution, because it is not possible or for a man to follow infinite number of steps. So it's very, it is logically, for a person, for a human being, if the number of steps are infinite, the problem can never be solved. So it is very important. I'm gonna bold that clear and finite. So this is what we would like to highlight over here, that finite and clear should be the algorithm. If it is not, then one can never solve the problem easily and conveniently. So viewers, that's all. Today we have discussed 5 different important definitions for problem solving process. So that's all, and thanks for watching.